Understanding Nylon Tip, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem puzzling at first: nylon tip. Whether you're a musician looking for the perfect drumstick or simply curious about how this phrase is used in English, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, nylon tip, can be understood by breaking it into two parts: nylon, a type of synthetic plastic material, and tip, which refers to the end or extremity of an object. When combined, these terms are often used to describe an object that has an end part made of nylon. In music, nylon tip is commonly heard in the world of music, specifically when talking about drumsticks. Drumsticks with nylon tips produce a different sound quality compared to wood tips. They tend to offer a sharper, more articulated strike, which is preferred by some drummers for certain styles of music. In writing instruments, another usage can be found in stationery. Some pens or markers have a nylon tip to provide durability and a consistent line when writing or drawing. This is especially important for artists or professionals who require precision in their work. Understanding the term, nylon tip, is not just about knowing what it means. It's about comprehending the choices professionals make based on the qualities of nylon. In music, it affects the sound produced by an instrument. In art and writing, it influences the accuracy and look of the final work. Let's look at some examples of how nylon tip might be used in everyday conversations or marketing. In a store, these drumsticks have a nylon tip, which will give you a brighter sound on cymbals. In art supplies, I prefer nylon tip markers because they don't fray as easily as felt tips. By recognizing these contexts, you can understand how the phrase is used and apply it correctly in similar situations. And there you have it. The term, nylon tip, is a small phrase with specific yet varied applications. Whether you're talking about music or fine art, the type of tip can make a significant difference. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject, and you now feel more confident in your understanding of this English phrase. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.